Good morning. Hello everyone, today I've got an unboxing video of my new iPhone 17 Pro Max. I got the 1TB model in Cosmic Orange. So yeah, apart from the phone, I also did get a set of USB-C EarPods, a Midnight 17 Pro Max Silicone Case, and an AMAZINGTHING full glass screen protector. So here we have the iPhone box. On the front of the box, we have a back picture of the iPhone. On the sides, we have the iPhone branding. On the bottom and the top, we have the Apple logos, and the Apple logos together with the branding, the iPhone branding and the picture of the iPhone, they're all color coded to the iPhone that you get. If you get it in silver, it's in silver. If you get it in blue, it's in blue. And if you get it in orange, they're all in orange. On the back of the box, it says iPhone 17 Pro Max, designed by Apple in California. You can scan the QR code to learn more about the iPhone. And you have various other information down here, including your serial number, barcode, and all that stuff. And it also says iPhone 17 Pro Max, Cosmic Orange, 1TB. So as usual, we have to pull the two tabs at the top and the bottom to get inside the box. Okay, so now let's lift the top off, and right on top we have the iPhone itself. Let's put this aside. Right here we have a braided USB-C to USB-C cable together with the SIM ejector tool. And that's about it for what's inside the box. Okay, so first things first, let's get the screen protector on. Let's take this part off. Okay, so I've put the screen protector on. It's not the best application. I have some bubbling up here and down here, but it will do for now. So let's do the first boot up. As usual, Apple logo. Hello. It will come up hello in several languages, and down here it'll just say swipe up to open in, again, several languages. Okay, so first thing, they're going to ask for my language, which is English, and I will select Malaysia. Safety and handling, blah blah blah. Continue. Appearance, default, medium, large. I go with default. Quickly set up iPhone. Let me just bring up my old one. Enter the passcode. Setting up my iPhone. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Okay, now it's saying transfer phone number, but I will set up later. Software update. Let's update now. And this is going to take a while. Agree. downloading the software update, then it will verify the update, so on and so forth. So I will be back. Okay, so the software has been updated. So before we continue, let me just transfer my SIM card over. Okay, so now SIM card is in. Let me just unlock it. Okay, the SIM card is unlocked. Now it's saying safety and handling, so on and so forth. Continue. Appearance, default, continue. Quickly set up iPhone. Data and privacy, continue. Face ID, continue. How to set up Face ID, get started. Okay, let me just do this and I'll be back. Okay, so Face ID is now set up. I did one time. The second time is with a face mask if you ever still need to use it. The third time is without glasses, and the fourth time is with the glasses that I'm currently using. So continue. Transfer data from my old phone, continue. Setting up my account. Terms and conditions, agree. Okay, so make this your new iPhone, yes, blah, 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 blah. Continue. I just click continue for now, I'll manage it later. Now it's asking for location services. Okay, turn on location service. Okay, so I've added my cards. I just need to do some additional verification once I finish the video, since I need to access the banking app from my old phone. But yeah, continue. Apple Intelligence, set up later. Camera control, okay, that's the new button on the side. Okay, continue. Action button. You can customize this button since it's no longer a rocker switch like on the 13 Pro Max. So let's customize for now. We can choose silent mode, focus, camera, torch, voice memo. We can recognize music, translate, magnify, shortcut, accessibility, no action. But I'll still stick to silent mode. Okay, so Siri is next, set up later. Emergency SOS, continue. Okay, so now it is transferring data from my old phone. Okay, so I started transferring my data over to the 17 Pro Max at about 3:45. Now it is 5:08 and the transfer is complete. So I can turn this off, that to the side, and just enter my passcode. Okay, so it says restore completed. Apps and data will continue downloading in the background. Continue. Okay, so I just got a prompt on my watch saying to enter the passcode on my watch as well. Welcome to iOS 26, introducing a new design with liquid glass. Personalized iPhone with new look for app icons. Focus on what matters with liquid glass controls. Access menu options with controls that fluidly morph. Search is within reach and easy to access in apps. Continue. Welcome. Get started. All my bank notifications. Use this iPhone when sharing your location. Use. Again, my bank notifications. But yeah, it's all been set up. The apps are going to download by itself. Turn on message, iMessage and FaceTime, turn on. And it's now going to download all the apps that were previously on my 13 Pro Max onto this phone. And there you go. USB-C EarPods. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new 17 Pro Max 1TB in Cosmic Orange. Thanks for watching and goodbye.